Big opportunities in life have to be seized. We don't do very many things, but when we get the chance to do something that's right and big, we've got to do it. And even to do it in a small scale is just as big a mistake almost as not doing it at all.
Build wealth with dividend investing. Let your money work for you. You've probably heard Warren Buffett talk about big opportunities in the world of investing, right? But what if I told you that you don't need a massive fortune to build real wealth, and that it's possible to make money while you sleep? Sounds too good to be true. Stick around, because I'm about to show you how you can turn a small investment into something big, just like Warren Buffett did, and you could be on your way to financial freedom without ever working again. The method is simple. It's called dividend investing, and it could be your ticket to stopping the endless worry about money. Let's break it down. What if you could earn thousands of dollars every year just by holding stocks? And I'm not talking about a one-time windfall. I'm talking about money that keeps coming in year after year. That's exactly what Warren Buffett has done, and it's part of why he's now the 5th richest person on the planet. Here's what Buffett has to say. I do believe in dividends and in a great many situations, including many of the ones that companies in which we own stock. Sounds like a good strategy, right? So let's dive into how you can start making money from dividends today. Before we go any further, let's quickly talk about the 2 types of income. Active income, the money you work hard for. Passive income, the money you make while doing, well, nothing. What if you could switch from earning active income to generating passive income with a small initial investment? That's where dividend investing comes in. Instead of working hard for your paycheck, you let your money work for you. Now you're probably thinking, how do I get started? Well, it's simple. All you need to do is take a little bit of your paycheck and invest it in dividend-paying stocks. No need for huge capital. You can start with as little as $100 or less. Let's take a look at a company everyone knows, Coca-Cola. Did you know Coca-Cola pays out a dividend of 3.04% per year? That means if you own shares, you get paid for just holding on to them. Warren Buffett has a massive stake in Coca-Cola and continues to benefit from these payouts. And guess what? You can too. So how much could you earn from Coca-Cola's dividends? Let's say you buy 10 shares. That's an easy $18.40 a year. But imagine you buy $1,000 worth of shares. That's $1,840 per year. Want to take it further? If you want to make $3,300 a month, you'd need to invest about $1.3 million. But don't worry, we'll show you how to speed up the process. Stay tuned. Remember this advice from Buffett. Find stocks with above-average appreciation potential and safe and growing dividends, and buy them at attractive prices. That's the blueprint to getting rich in the stock market. Now let's talk about some other stocks that Warren Buffett owns and their juicy dividends. Citigroup Bank has a dividend rate of 4.5%. Vitesse Energy, 8.68%. But here's the catch. While high dividends can seem tempting, don't be fooled. Some of those high yields could be hiding financial instability. Warren Buffett warns, time is the friend of the wonderful company, the enemy of the mediocre. High yields are tempting, but be careful. They often come with risks. You want your money to grow, not disappear. If you're not keen on picking individual stocks, no worries. You can also invest in ETFs, a basket of stocks, or REITs, which are real estate investments that pay great dividends. For example, VYMI pays a solid 4.53%, and XLRE has a dividend yield of 7.44%, so you don't need millions to get started. Here's the secret to speeding up your progress. It's called compounding interest and dividend reinvestment. By reinvesting your dividends, you'll see your money grow exponentially over time. Imagine buying 20 shares of Coca-Cola each month. In 10 years, you could be making $5,975 annually, just from dividends. Even better, reinvesting those dividends will boost your earnings. In fact, you could see an extra $1,000 a month just by putting your dividends back into the stock. Quick note, Dividends are taxable income, so make sure to keep that in mind when tax season rolls around. But don't let taxes discourage you. The benefits far outweigh the costs. Here's your 4-step action plan to make this work. Choose your stocks, ETFs, or REITs. Invest consistently with every paycheck. Reinvest your dividends to grow your income faster. Pay attention to taxes when your dividends come in. It might start slow, but before you know it, you'll be watching your money work for you, and you'll be living the life you've always dreamed of, without having to lift a finger. And remember, it all starts with believing in the power of dividends. So, are you ready to stop working for money and start letting your money work for you? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on how to build wealth. Until next time.